Bold move! The original BMW wheel bolt locks provide effective theft protection and are Thatcham certified. They're available in 2 sizes. The set includes 4 wheel bolt locks, the master key and a code card on the back. You might need the code to reorder the master key, so store it safely. The wheel bolt locks can only be opened with a matching master key. Here's how to mount them. Make sure the parking brake is set with engaged gear or in P. Unscrew one of the original wheel bolts of every wheel. Check if the existing bolts have the same length as the wheel bolt lock. Do not use any grease or oil on the threads. Put the wheel bolt lock in by hand and make sure it engages fully in the coding groove. Then tighten it with a master key using a fitting spanner socket. Make sure to use the correct tightening torque. Look it up in your manual or the BMW Driver's Guide app specifically for your car. Be aware, the master key is not designed to be used with an impact wrench. Before dismounting the wheels, unscrew the wheel bolt lock first. Store the master key in a designated place in your car, like the trunk for example. And continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.